Welcome! We're thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey into the fascinating world of home decor, specifically through the lens of transforming forgotten materials. Our focus today is on the incredible potential of reclaimed wood and metal. These materials, often overlooked, are imbued with history and character, waiting to be reimagined into beautiful, functional decor for your home. Reclaimed wood has a unique charm that new wood simply cannot replicate. Sourced from old barns, factories, and even vintage furniture, each piece bears its own marks of time, splinters, knots, and patinas that tell stories of the lives they've led. This aging process adds depth and personality, making reclaimed wood a perfect choice for those seeking to add warmth and authenticity to their spaces. When you choose reclaimed wood for your furniture or decor, you're not just selecting a material, you're choosing a narrative that enhances the emotional connection to your home. The versatility of reclaimed wood is impressive. It can be transformed into anything from rustic dining tables and shelves to intricate wall art and personalized signs. Imagine a dining table crafted from old oak beams, featuring live edges that highlight the wood's natural beauty. Pair it with metal accents, like steel legs, to create a striking contrast between the organic warmth of the wood and the industrial feel of the metal. Speaking of metal, let's explore the allure of reclaimed metal elements. Often sourced from industrial sites or decommissioned machinery, reclaimed metal carries a sense of strength and resilience. These materials can introduce an edgy, modern vibe to your decor while retaining an essence of nostalgia. Items like metal light fixtures, coffee tables with steel bases, or wall-mounted decor pieces can bring a contemporary flair to any room. The beauty of combining reclaimed metal with wood is that it creates a synergy, uniting natural elements with human-made craftsmanship. The environmental benefits of using reclaimed materials are significant. By repurposing wood and metal that might otherwise contribute to landfill waste, you're making a conscious choice to support sustainable practices. This commitment to eco-friendliness not only benefits the planet but also fosters a growing community of artisans and craftspeople dedicated to creating unique, sustainable home decor. Now, let's discuss design approaches for integrating these reclaimed materials into your home. One effective strategy is to use a focal piece, such as a reclaimed wood coffee table, surrounded by more neutral furnishings. This allows the unique characteristics of the table to shine while maintaining a cohesive look throughout the space. Mixing and matching different textures and finishes can also add depth and interest, so don't hesitate to play with various combinations of reclaimed wood and metal elements. Consider the ambience you want to create. For a cozy, inviting feel, choose warmer tones of wood combined with soft lighting. If you're after a more industrial look, opt for darker metals and a minimalist design. Accessories like throws, pillows, and art can also tie the room together, complementing your reclaimed pieces and offering a cohesive design aesthetic. In our upcoming videos and articles, we'll showcase a wide range of projects and tutorials for working with reclaimed materials. From step-by-step guides on building your own furnishings to tips on sourcing reclaimed materials in your area, there's a wealth of information to help you embark on your own reclamation adventure. We'll also feature interviews with artisans who specialize in this craft, sharing their insights and inspiration. As you learn to appreciate the value of reclaimed materials, we encourage you to share your journey with us. Whether you're tackling a DIY project or simply experimenting with decor ideas, your experiences add to our community of enthusiasts. Let's celebrate the creativity that comes from reimagining forgotten materials into treasured pieces for our homes. Thank you for being a part of this exploration into reclaimed wood and metal home decor. We hope you're as inspired as we are to transform forgotten materials into beautiful, lasting designs. Together, we can create spaces that not only reflect our personal style but also tell meaningful stories of history and sustainability. As we wrap up, we invite you to stay connected. If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe, like, and share our content with fellow home decor lovers. Your support will help us bring more inspiring ideas and projects to life. Until next time, keep dreaming, creating, and transforming your spaces with reclaimed beauty. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing with others. Your support means a lot and helps us continue to create more inspiring material.
See you next time.